Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a shopping mall. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends and the store staff. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What kind of information is inside the barcode on a receipt? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Mina, thanks for coming with me today.
Of course. I needed to come here too. I have to return my blender.
Your blender? What happened?
I bought it 2 weeks ago and it already stopped working. I turned it on yesterday and it made a loud noise. Then it just stopped.
That is terrible. Did you keep the receipt?
Yes, I have the receipt right here, but I threw away the box. Do you think that is a problem?
I'm not sure. Some stores want the box and some stores do not care. What about you? What are you returning?
Wait, you are returning something too?
Yes, I bought sneakers online, but they sent me the wrong size. I ordered a 10, but they sent me a 9.
Oh no. Do you have the receipt?
That is the problem. I cannot find the receipt anywhere. I looked in my email and I found the order email. It has a QR code on it.
A QR code? Maybe that will work?
I hope so. Hey, look at this. My old receipt from last week has this really long barcode at the bottom.
I see it. It's very long.
I always see these barcodes on receipts. What kind of information is inside that barcode?
I have no idea. Maybe it has the store name and the date?
Maybe. I'm really curious about it. Anyway, let's go inside. Where do you need to go first?
I need to go to customer service. It's on the first floor.
Okay. I need to go to the shoe department on the second floor. Let's meet at the food court after we finish.
Sounds good. Good luck with your sneakers.
Thanks. Good luck with your blender.
Hi there. Welcome to customer service. How can I help you today?
Hi, I would like to return this blender, please. It stopped working after 2 weeks.
I am sorry to hear that. Do you have your receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Great. Let me check the date. Okay, you bought this 14 days ago. You are still inside the return period.
Oh, good. How long is the return period?
For electronics at this store, you only get 15 days, so you are just in time.
Only 15 days? That is short.
Yes, but for most other items, like clothes or kitchen tools, you get 90 days. Electronics have a shorter return period.
Wow, that is a big difference. I'm glad I came today.
Yes, you meet it just in time. Do you have the original box?
No, I threw it away. Is that okay?
That is fine. We just need the item and the receipt. The box is not needed.
Great. So how will I get my money back?
Since you paid with your credit card, we will put the money back on the same card. It usually takes 3 to 5 work days.
3 to 5 work days. Okay, I understand. Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me do this for you. Okay, I just need you to sign here, please.
Sure, here you go.
Perfect. Here is your return paper. Keep this just in case.
Thank you so much, Mike. You were very helpful.
My pleasure. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Actually, maybe, but let me come back later. I need to think about it first.
No problem. I will be here until 5 o'clock today.
Okay, thank you. I will come back if I need help. Hi, welcome to the shoe department. Are you looking for something today?
Hi, actually, I need to return these sneakers. I bought them online, but the size is wrong.
Oh, I see. Do you have your receipt?
No, I do not. I lost it, but I have the order email on my phone. It has a QR code.
Okay, let me see that. Yes, this QR code has your order number. I can find your order with this.
Oh, that is great. I was worried it would not work.
Many stores can find your order even without a paper receipt. We can use a QR code, a barcode, or sometimes the card you used to pay.
Really? That is interesting. My friend was asking about barcodes on receipts earlier. She wanted to know what information is inside them.
Well, the barcode on a receipt can help the store find the sale in the computer. It may have a sale number, the store number, and the date.
So the barcode keeps a record.
It helps us find the record, yes. But there is one thing I need to tell you. Because you do not have your receipt, I can only give you store credit. I cannot give you cash back or put it back on your card.
Store credit? What does that mean exactly?
It means you get a gift card with the same amount of money. You can use it to buy anything in this store, but you cannot get cash.
Oh, I see. Well, that is better than nothing. How much store credit will I get?
Let me check the price. Your sneakers were $54.99, so you will get a store credit card for $54.99.
Okay, that sounds fair. Let's do it.
Great. I will do this right now. It will just take a minute.
Hey, Mina, how did your return go?
It went really well. I got my money back on my credit card. Mike at customer service was very nice.
That is great. Lucky you.
What about your sneakers? Did they accept the return?
Yes, but I did not get cash back. Because I lost my receipt, they could only give me store credit.
Store credit. So you got a gift card?
Yes, exactly. A gift card for $54.99. I can only use it in that store.
Well, that is not too bad. You needed new sneakers anyway, right?
That is true. I think I will go back to the shoe department later and pick a different pair.
Good idea. Did they give you any trouble about not having the receipt?
Not really. Beth used the QR code from my order email to find my order. She said the store computer keeps a record of everything.
Oh, that is nice. So the QR code saved you.
Yes, it did. Hey, are you hungry? I did not eat breakfast this morning.
Me neither. But I don't want to eat a big meal. Maybe just a small snack?
How about we share some fries?
Sure, that sounds good. I'll get them. My treat.
Really? Thank you, Mina. That is very kind.
You look a little sad about the store credit. This will make you feel better.
I am not that sad, but free fries always help.
I will be right back. Oh, I just remembered something. I also need to go back to customer service.
Really? Why?
My aunt gave me a birthday present, but it's not my style. It came with a special receipt. I want to ask about returning it.
A special receipt? What do you mean?
I'll tell you about it later. Let me get the fries first. Hi again, Mike. I am back.
Oh, hi again. What can I help you with this time?
I have another item I want to return, but this one is different. It was a gift from my aunt.
I see. Do you have a receipt for it?
Yes, but it looks different from a normal receipt. It says gift receipt at the top.
Ah, a gift receipt. Do you know what a gift receipt is?
Not really. Can you explain it?
Sure. A gift receipt is a special receipt that does not show the price. Your aunt asked for it when she bought the gift.
So she did not want me to know the price?
Exactly. That way, you can return the gift, but you do not see how much she paid.
Oh, that is smart.
Many people ask for gift receipts. The person who gets the gift can return it without feeling bad about the price.
That makes sense. So, what can I get for this return?
With a gift receipt, you will get store credit. We cannot give you cash because the gift receipt does not show how she paid.
Store credit again. My friend Ken just got store credit today too.
It is very common. What is the item you want to return?
It is this scarf. It is very pretty, but the color is not for me.
Okay, let me scan the gift receipt. You will get a store credit card. Would you like to do that?
Yes, please. I think I will use the credit to buy a different scarf in a color I like.
That sounds like a great plan. Here's your store credit card.
Thank you, Mike. You have been so helpful today.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Hi, Beth. I am back. I want to use my store credit to buy new sneakers.
Welcome back. What size do you need?
Size 10. The last pair was a 9 and it was too small.
Okay, size 10. Do you have a color in mind?
I like white sneakers. Do you have any white ones?
Let me check. Yes, we have 2 white pairs in size 10. This one is $49.99, and this one is $59.99.
My store credit is $54.99, so I can get the first one and I will still have $5 left on the card.
That is right. Or you can get the second pair and pay the extra $5 with cash or card.
I think I will try the first one. Can I try it on?
Of course, here you go. There's a mirror right over there.
Thank you. Oh, these feel great. They fit perfectly.
They look good on you. How do the toes feel? Is there enough room?
Yes, a lot of room, and they are very comfortable.
I'm glad. When you buy shoes online, it's sometimes hard to get the right size. Every brand is a little different.
That is true. I think from now on, I will try shoes on in the store before I buy them.
That is a good idea. Let me pay for this with your store credit card, and you have $5 left on the card.
Great. Thank you, Beth. You were really helpful.
My pleasure. Enjoy your new sneakers.
Look at my new sneakers. What do you think?
Oh, they look really nice. And they fit this time?
Yes, they fit perfectly. I tried them on in the store.
Good. That is much better than ordering online and hoping it works.
Yes, I know now. How about you? Did you go back to customer service?
Yes, I returned the scarf from my aunt. Mike told me something interesting about gift receipts.
What is a gift receipt?
It is a special receipt that does not show the price. When you give someone a gift, they can return it, but they will not see how much you paid.
Oh, that is clever. I did not know about that.
I did not know about it either. Today was very interesting. Oh, and do you remember your question from this morning?
My question? Which one?
About the barcode on the receipt? You asked what information is inside it.
Oh, right. I almost forgot about that. Did you find out?
I learned something today. The barcode helps the store find the sale in the computer.
Really? How does it work?
Beth told you that the barcode can have a sale number, the store number, and the date. That is how she found your sneakers without a receipt.
So the barcode helps the computer find the record.
Yes, exactly. She used your QR code, but a barcode on a paper receipt works in a similar way.
That is amazing. I never knew a barcode could do that.
Me neither. We both learned something new today.
We really did. Returning things in American stores is not as hard as I thought.
No, you just need to keep your receipt, know the return period, and bring the item back.
And if you lose your receipt, store credits is not so bad.
Exactly. Are you ready to go home?
Yes, I want to wear my new sneakers tomorrow.
You really like them.
I really do. Today was a good day.
It was. Let's go.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What kind of information is inside the barcode on a receipt? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.